AMAC out here in Orangevale, California. Just tore off the roof here to do a re-roofing of this house over here. What we found was plywood, 1/4 inch thick. A lot of broken pieces. I'll show you some pictures. This house was built in 1978, probably at a time when we were looking at ways to cut costs on building. We were in the middle of a recession. Fast forward to year 2020, and we have a roof that needs a lot of repairs because of the way it was originally built. Let's go take a look. We're up on the roof. You can see some areas have some of this, what we call OSB sheeting. The section there. Now, the section over here was the original plywood. Now, we've already replaced a section right there. As you can see, all that oriented strand board. Essentially, the 1/4 inch plywood was just really spongy and weak in some spots from the sun beating it up over the years. And when you walked on it, it was like walking on a trampoline. And there were places with holes, and it was in bad shape. See that flex when I'm stepping on that? Yeah, not a good thing. And let's fast forward about 2 days, and the crew were working hard up here, putting the final touches on the roof. You can see all the roof shingles have been put on. Right now we're putting in the ridge vents. That's going to allow the superheated hot air to exit the attic, keep the house a little cooler, and certainly save money on your air conditioning come summertime. Okay, so the roof is done. Let's go for a walk. We'll climb the ladder, get up on the roof. I'll show you some details about the roof and what you should expect to see when Reliable does your roof for you. Now, to meet building code in the state of California, we had to use what's called a duration cool roof shingle. Now, when Reliable installs this roof and does all the parts and pieces that Owens Corning manufactures, you get a 50-year lifetime warranty, not just on materials, but on labor as well. One-time transfer of that applies. Now, this is the ridge vent. It's sitting underneath the ridge cap, and that goes over any living space in the house. That's also part of building code as well in the state of California. You need to have proper ventilation. Nothing better than a ridge vent. So that ridge cap also does another feature. It makes the house look nice. Now, we're not done yet. We replace all the pipe jacks, vents, flashing on the roof, valleys. We don't do a California weave in the valleys. All this is painted to match, and that's part of the Platinum roof system. So if you want your roof done right and have a great warranty, see us at Reliable Home Improvement. We're experienced, certified, and we're one of the elite.